Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold has just taken top honors at CES 2026, and this is a much bigger deal than it may sound at first. The device was crowned both Best Overall Winner and Best Mobile Tech at CN's Best of CES 2026 awards. That kind of recognition sends a clear message. Samsung is no longer trying to prove that foldables work. It is now setting the standard for what foldable phones should become. CES 2026 made one thing very clear. Samsung is leading the foldable space with confidence. The Galaxy Z TriFold winning Best Overall is not just about trophies or headlines. It is a sign of where the future of mobile devices is going and who is shaping that future. CNET described the Galaxy Z TriFold as a hybrid that finally makes sense. That is an important statement. For years, foldables have felt experimental, exciting but impractical for many users. According to CNET, the TriFold changes that. They highlighted its slim form factor and called it a major leap forward in foldable phone technology. In simple terms, this is the first TriFold device that feels like a real product and not just a concept. The awards themselves carry serious weight. CNET worked with more than 40 technology experts and partnered with the Consumer Technology Association to evaluate products shown at CES. A total of 63 winners were selected across 22 different categories. Samsung did not just win in the mobile category. The Galaxy Z TriFold won the top award of the entire show. That alone shows how impressive this device is compared to everything else unveiled at CES 2026. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Z TriFold itself. When fully opened, the phone reveals a massive 10-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This turns the device into a tablet-sized screen that can be used for multitasking, content consumption, and productivity. It is large, bright, and designed to feel premium. When folded down, the Galaxy Z TriFold becomes much more compact. The 6.5-inch covered display behaves like a proper flagship smartphone screen. This is important because many foldables feel like a compromise when closed. That does not seem to be the case here. Samsung clearly wanted the TriFold to feel just as usable when folded as it does when fully open. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor. This is Samsung's top-tier custom-tuned chipset, designed for maximum performance and efficiency. Alongside that, the phone packs a 5600 mAh battery, which is impressive considering the complexity and size of the device. Battery life has always been a concern with foldables, so this is a strong move by Samsung. The camera setup on the Galaxy Z TriFold is also very serious. The phone features a 200-megapixel main camera, which puts it on the same level as Samsung's Ultra flagship phones. There is also a 10-megapixel telephoto camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This means the TriFold is not just about screen innovation. It is also built to deliver top-level photography. For selfies and video calls, Samsung included 10-megapixel cameras on both the cover screen and the main display. This ensures that no matter how you are using the device, you have a capable front-facing camera available. What makes the Galaxy Z TriFold even more interesting is how Samsung is positioning it internally. Industry estimates suggest that global production will be extremely limited, somewhere between 20,000 and 30,000 units. That is a very small number for a major smartphone release. This tells us that Samsung is treating the TriFold as a special edition device. It is not meant to be a mass-market product or a big profit generator. Instead, it is a statement. Samsung is using the Galaxy Z TriFold to show what it is capable of and where foldable technology can go. By doing this, Samsung is not just selling a phone. It is shaping expectations. The Galaxy Z TriFold shows that foldables can be powerful, practical, and polished at the same time. Winning Best Overall at CES 2026 confirms that message loud and clear. Samsung is no longer chasing validation in the foldable space. With the Galaxy Z TriFold, it has made it clear that it is leading the conversation and setting the bar for everyone else to follow.